Today, madaling araw kaming gumising para mag-rides kasama ang buong Team Youngblood Ilocos Sur papuntang Pagudpud, Panggi at marami pang ibang lugar sa Ilocos Norte. Okay, let's get ready and meet up with the team. Malamig na yan Mula kagabi smooth. Nakit naman yung awal ko naglinis ng chain kagabi kahit umuulan. Pero dapat guys, sulatin ko sila. Mag-washing ka kahit umuulan.
What?
Ewan ko ang sino lang dito. Hi. Ay putik. So sa mga oras na to, ang buong akala namin 3-4 na motor lang yung sasama. Pero yon, kumpleto pala sila. Kasi nung nag-aya kami ng ride sa GC, panay ang chat nila na may pupuntahan daw yung iba. Kesyo maraming dahilan na kunwari hindi daw sila sasama. Pero, but hey, the more the merrier, di ba? Anyway, tamang hintay lang kami sa iba.
What's up guys?
Kayo, di na nga ako pinapansin, may prank-prank pa kayong nalalaman. Then, nung nakompleto na kami, we huddled up then said our prayers for a safe ride. Okay, everyone's good. Dadaanan muna namin si Trisha sa San Juan. So yeah, let's start this North Escapade. Okay, kasama na namin si Trisha. Well, obviously, we put on her riding gears first. And after that, let's go! Nag-stop over kami saglit dito sa arko ng Ilocos Norte.
Hindi nagtiimat.
And after a while na ewan ko kung anong inaayos nila, nagpatuloy na ulit kami. Okay, time check, 6:20 AM. Nandito na kami sa Lawag City and tumigil kami saglit kasi napansin kong kulang kami ng 2 motor. And after like 5 minutes or so, nandito na sila and we are now headed to Burgos, Ilocos Norte. Kung saan, doon po kami kakain ng aming breakfast. Let's go! Okay, at dahil alas 7 na, magbe-breakfast muna kami dito. Hindi dito sa tabing dagat, kundi sa tapat niya.
Morning ba?
Morning! Ang dami silang ulam na benta dito. Merong adobo, dinakdakan, pusit na maliliit, at meron din pong bagnet.
Uy ko, talo magkita sa step
Uy!
15 gaya.
Meron ding arosip or sea grapes dito sa tabi. Ewan ko kung benta nila, pero minumukbang na ni George. So, bayaran mo na lang pag sinil ka, G. So nag-order na yung mga kasama namin pero mas pinili namin mag-cup noodles na lang ni Dan para di masyadong mabigat sa tiyan.
Tumumukbang po tayo, no?
I mean, this is nice. We get to eat our breakfast while staring at a scenic and relaxing view of the sea. Ako dal pa yun.
Picture, guys.
And after namin mag-breakfast, tumambay muna kami saglit dito sa tabi ng dagat. Nagpicture at nagbibilang na din po ang mga kasama ko. They're trying to figure out kung bakit ang mahal-mahal daw ng binayaran nila for breakfast.
100. Pusit 100.
200. Tapos 80 nga sinigang. 80 nga sinigang.
Sakto, mabalin.
Man talaga, legit. Tanghalong kababalaghan. Ayos ko. Kami po yung ninja ng umaga.
Anyway, let's continue our journey. Next stop sa Pagudpud na. Hopefully.
Yeah,
Let's go!
falling into love hurts just as much as falling out of it. But I'll scrape my knees and scar my shins. I hope you never doubted that I'm down for you. Wanna hit the town, make it loud, be a clown for you. Or maybe we could be a Romeo and Juliet, except without the age difference, and we can forget the death. Cause this is love at first sight. There's no doubt in my mind. And darling, forget about the time, cause you're mine. And I'll spend every second chilling with you. Like this, that vintage Nickelodeon innocence love. Innocence the type of if we fight, let's chill and make up. You're one in a million pay stubs, but to me you're like a lottery. There's a lot of fish in the sea, but you're a catch that's so startling. Baby, I know that there's a lot to do, it's awful too. And in your past there's a lot to chew. I'll buckle up, like your burdens of...
Tumigil muna kami saglit para mag-stretching at nagpalit din pala kami ni Angelo dito ng motor. Gagamitin niya muna tong sniper at gagamitin naman namin yung NMAX niya para ma-relax naman kami ng OBR ko. Okay, tuloy tayo. Patapat Bridge, here we go.
with you. Like this, that vintage Nickelodeon innocence love. Innocence the type of if we fight, let's chill and make up. You're one in a million pay stubs, but to me you're like a lottery. There's a lot of fish in the sea, but you're a catch that's so startling. Baby, I know that there's a lot to do, it's awful too. And in your past there's a lot to chew. I'll buckle up, like your burdens a weight to carry, but it lessens at a steady rate. And I'll be by your side like your phone pocketed on second dates. Honestly, I just want some acknowledgement for confidence and compliments, but maybe I'm not hitting the dot, but I'm still taking my shot. I'ma practice and go again, and you can show me around, and you can even will your friends. Like I know that they'll be talking with their dissonant whispers, but shiver me timbers if they can rock the relationship. Do you know who you playing with? I'm feeling like Midas, but you was gold to begin with. I didn't help in the slightest day. Even will your friends, like I know that they'll be talking with their
And finally, nakarating rin kami dito sa Patapat Bridge. Opened in October of 1986, Patapat Viaduct or Patapat Bridge is known to be the 5th longest bridge in the Philippines. At ang ganap po namin dito ngayon ay syempre pictorial session muna habang yung iba nagpapahinga at yung iba naman ay na-enjoy ang magandang tanawin.
Can we skip to the good part?
Nag-focus po yun.
Laging ganda dito.
At meron din pong nag-recharge ng energy with Black Mamba energy drink with guarana. Wala lang, feeling sponsored lang.
Gimbag dati.
Etong mga to naman nagpapalamig dahil mainit na daw ang mga ulo nila.
Problem bagong biyak na buko.
Okay, so that's Patapat Bridge. Di na din kami nagtagal kasi malayo-layo pa ang next destination namin. So it's time to hit the road. Let's go! 15 kilometers later, we are now at the Little Batanes of Ilocos Norte, kung saan meron kang overlooking ng dagat, fresh air, and a great scenic view to enjoy.
Stop!
Sana all pinayagan.
Sana all! Ay, pinayagan na tayo, tol!
Hello, dahil dito na sikil nga logan.
Kasi sikilan ka na. Pwede? Hindi na.
Yung tipong mapapa-English ka na lang sa sobrang ganda ng tanawin.
Wave. Like the wave is hitting the stone and the stone is sprinkling water.
And by the way, guys, this is free. Walang entrance fee. And as usual, ang ganap namin dito, pictorial session muna. At syempre, ang hindi mawawalang jump shot.
Ay,
Print up.
And after ng aming mga extracurricular activities, nagpatuloy na ulit kami sa aming biyahe. Tumigil kami saglit dito sa plaza ng Pagudpud para magmerienda. Light snack lang naman and time check, 9:30 AM pa lang.
Hindi ko gano'n.
Tabawit tiyo.
Na, tuwing gano'n. Anta welcome. Hindi ka man.
public market.
Chicken manok.
And nga pala guys, if you are enjoying this video, please like this video tapos pa-subscribe na din po kung hindi pa po kayo nakasubscribe. It's completely free and you can always change your mind later.
Dito ko na nakibdiwan.
Sagitin? No. Sagin nakin yung...
Ate ko na
Sorry ka lang yun. Nasoro-soro nagbanggi kami.
Dagdagan, lakasan ng loob.
Soro-soro kanya kami ka nagpaspas.
Okay, tuloy ulit tayo. Let's go!
Jadi nga
Tumigil kami saglit dito sa arko ng Pagudpud to take our photos. Dahil hindi naman makukompleto ang aming pagbisita dito kung wala kaming litrato sa arko. Medyo mainit nga lang.
Opo.
Si Dan pala ang isa sa mga bagong members sa group namin. Isa po siyang photographer at makikita po ninyo ang mga magagandang kuha niya sa Facebook page niya, ang Stags Photography. Anyway, after we get our snaps, we're now headed to Sentinela Hill sa Bangi, Ilocos Norte. Andito na kami sa entrance or parking area rather, papuntang Sentinela Hill. And there are steps bago makapunta sa magandang view. Literal steps.
Madanaga na yung.
putek na.
Gamit ten.
Kunting po sila lang nakakato pa eh.
Wala, everyday leg day. Yeah guys, kaya pa eh.
Hindi na kaya.
Yan, malapit na!
May isang oras tayo kumalit. Picture ka na.
Post.
Kaasin!
Brother! Brother! No, dan nyo bro toneg. Ay, kagaya, sorry. Panayo ride sa mga hiking ah.
May mga naka-cage na birds at monkey dito sa taas. Maybe they are kept as a pets of the owner. If there was an owner, I'm not really sure. But the main attraction is papunta dito sa gawing tinatahak ko.
Kagi mainit.
Ang pinakagandang ilan pa pictures.
May parang structure or tower dito and here you can see a beautiful view of Bangi. Tanaw pa nga dito yung mga windmills eh. Nag-rest lang kami saglit dito habang pinagmamasdan ang view from above. And ang presko din ng hangin kaya parang nakakaantok at nakakatamad bumaba. Napapaupo na lang kami at nagkukwentuhan.
Amoy di ajay, tagaan dito na tingnan. Nya pangalan kay dalan tay Santo Domingo. Balay tayo.
Balikan. Di talahin ka na lagi.
Kung nadangal kayo na diyar ba di bagyo? Hindi may naka-picture eh. Banlog ka, di ka nag-drive.
No, yung gamin. Sydney pa kayo man.
And nung nanumbalik, wow lalim. Nag-generate na yung lakas namin. Nag-picture na kami saglit at di nagtagal ay bumaba na din kami.
Look at the sky. Look at the sea.
Ay. Uy. Hello. Rear yun eh. May mga birds dito eh. Oh, may mga birds dito eh. Ito yung pinaka-rear daw dito. Saan na yun? Ay, ay. Rear yan eh. Rear. Uy. Na. May tigkol ko ma.
Mag-relax ko, may magmag. Ngayon nabati itulbe ko na.
We packed our things, put on our gears, and continued our journey. Let's go! Time check, 12:40 PM and nag-stop over kami dito sa Christian Melgar Eatery para mag-lunch dahil kumakalam na ang aming mga tiyan. Dami silang bentang lutong bahay dito kaya pahirapan na naman kaming pumili ng kakainin namin. And after namin kumain, nagtambay muna kami saglit bago magbabad ulit sa init.
Napuraw pala?
Kayo candy? Sige, kayo candy?
Nakaro ate.
Sige, malaki lang. Dapay, alin niya latan, okay lang. Okay lang kanya, yung medyo yung bagi dyan mo, okay lang. Kaya mo dan? Amo kaya? Ay, bagim?
Bagi.
And nung medyo maulap na ang kalangitan, nagpatuloy na ulit kami sa aming biyahe. And pupunta naman kami ngayon sa mga windmills. Let's go!
Running late everywhere now. Stairs did not make the right sound. 14 times I turned the lights on when you left to take a shower. Denying reasons I am stressed. Blaming my OCD attack. Everyone tells me they feel blessed. I can't relate when I am trapped. 11 doesn't satisfy me. It should be 10 times all the wall. You see right there, right beside
And shortly after, nandito na kami sa Bangi Wind Farm. This wind farm uses 20 units of 70-meter high Vestas V82 1.65 megawatts wind turbines, arranged in a single row stretching along a 9-kilometer shoreline of Bangi Bay facing the South China Sea. At yun po ay sabi ng Wikipedia. Pero di naman tayo naparito para alamin yan, so yeah. Shout out! MC. MC lang pangalan eh. Hindi pwedeng disclose. Data privacy daw. Master of Ceremonies. Shout out kay Master of Ceremonies. Kung nanonood ka, keep on watching.
Kumantyaw ni Biboy na ito, na ka na yung motor na. Nasa Bangyang forever.
Meron din palang nagmamagic dun sa tabi. Gagi, 1.5 lumabas sa kamay niya. Pudo yung. As usual, pictorial session muna. And after nun, nagpalamig muna kami with this 20 pesos na scramble ni Kuya. And shortly after, we hit the road again. And here we are at Cape Boyador Lighthouse. Ewan ko kung Boyador o Boyador yun. Dito muna kami sa parking area magtatambay dahil medyo mainit pa. At may inaayos pa si na Kuya Ivan.
Isang lagaro din, din pala pinapagsitan na dahil.
Pumunta sa lighthouse para magwarwar ng motor.
Oh, may silaw na nito sana nagbaling ang lighthouse.
At syempre, nagpictorial muna kami bago pumunta sa taas. Vlog me! 1, 2, 3, yan. Hindi na may ano ko others. Opened in March of 1892, this structure has a height of 20 meters made from locally produced bricks. And my entrance fee po pala na 50 pesos per head. But we're low on budget at this point kaya bumaba na lang kami at ipapanggas na lang ang aming 50 pesos. Dok, good lang Kuya.
Dadam! Bamon?
Pamon? Huwag na pala. Okay. So magpapahangin po muna kami dito sa puno ng sampalok dahil mainit ang klima. Habang ang ilan sa amin ay may inaayos pa sa kanilang mga motor. Tama ka na.
At ngayon, antok na antok kami. Kailangan namin. Unsubscribe.
Wag!
Uy, bago.
Medyo madina.
Ang karod preno na yan, kurik.
Mumilagay ko.
Nilagayan.
Librang kumapalakat tayo. Gabi gaan vlog tani.
And after ng pag-aayos nila, we hit the road and uuwi na kami sa Ilocos Norte. So, nag-stop over kami saglit dito sa 7-Eleven ng Sinait Ilocos Sur para mag-stretch, magkape at mag-boost ng energy. And time check, Alas 5 ng purang hapon. And we are 45 kilometers away from home. But dito na din matatapos ang aming North Escapade. It has been a thrilling and exciting 17-hour ride. Madaming mga challenges pero kaakibat niya ng paggawa ng mga masasayang alaala. And this has been your boy Darren, kasama ang buong tropa ng Young Blood Ilocos Sur. Ride safe y'all! See ya!